So, hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, I came in the biggest opportunity, and this is a government job from Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board DSSC. So, अगर आपने BTech किया और BCA किया है, then this video is important for you. And salary you can expect till 1.5 to 1.9 lakhs. So, this is wonderful opportunity. So, I will suggest listen each and every point before applying. Okay. So actually they have announced one of the important hiring for various posts. So government of NCT of Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board, and vacancy notice or the online registration has already been started. That is 16th June, and you can start basically apply till 15th of July. So actually they are hiring for various positions, like if you have done BSc in chemistry, physics or other, then you can apply. But if you are from computer science, IT or electrical other background, then still you can apply. Means BTech students are eligible. So for various posts like junior scientific assistant HRD, junior scientific assistant photo, that is the forensic science laboratory, junior scientific assistant cyber forensics. So you have to check each and every eligibility area. Okay, I will provide all the apply links, check there. And most number of vacancies for this trained graduate teacher computer science director of education, around 675 post. This one the biggest number you can say in government job. Okay, so अगर आप interested हैं government job में, then you can apply for these role. Okay, and this is for electrical students. So let me just show you the eligibility criteria for various posts. So as you can see for this is for BTech in biotechnology. If you have done, then you can apply for this, and you can say pay scale till 92,000, pay level 5 group C category, and other things. Means for different basically post different eligibility criteria there, but the main things I am highlighting here, that is from this. Since our most of the viewer from the BTech background, then I will highlight this. That is junior scientific assistant HRD QC forensic science laboratory. इसमें देख सकते हैं लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी है, बट BTech इन कंप्यूटर साइंस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स IT और EC ऑल स्टूडेंट्स कैन अप्लाई. ओके, अगर आपके पास डिग्री है देन यू कैन अप्लाई, and pay scale till 92,000. So you can say this is a huge number. Okay, and huge amount. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोस्ट देख सकते हैं, इसमें आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. दैट इज जूनियर साइंटिफिक असिस्टेंट फोटो, जो मैंने अभी जस्ट बताया था. टोटल अराउंड 14 वैकेंसी है. एंड बीटेक अगर आपने AIML से किया है या एम मास्टर्स भी किया है, देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस, लाइक मास्टर इन फिजिक्स इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस ऑल्सो. पेस के लिए अराउंड 92,000. नेक्स्ट फॉर द रोल ऑफ जूनियर साइंटिफिक असिस्टेंट साइबर फॉरेंसिक फॉरेंसिक साइंस लेबोरेटरीज, इसमें भी अराउंड 81 वैकेंसी है. दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड नंबर इन कंपेयर टू गवर्नमेंट, मीन्स फॉर गवर्नमेंट organizations. So BTech in CS, electronics, engineering, electrical, all can apply for this wonderful opportunity, and this is a good hiring. Especially I'll suggest for this also minimum 29,000 and maximum 92,000. So it depend on the categories, post and other. So if you want, you can apply. Now friends, the main things I want to highlight here for the role, that is that I have already talked, that is for the teachers role. Okay, around 500 vacancy, and this is really friends a huge number. Okay, so trained graduate teacher computer science. So if you want to start your career as a teacher, so student, total around 675. This is a very huge number. Okay, and unreserved 416 and OBC STC, means there is reservation criteria, in government. So you can apply. अगर आपने bachelor's किया है BCA from computer application, then you can apply. Graduate in computer science from recognized university, then you can apply. BTech computer science or IT se kiya, then you can apply. So this is wonderful. Now pay scale for, you can see starting from 44,000 till you can expect 1,42,000. This is a huge number. Okay, so around CTC you can say, if I calculate, then 12 more than 16 lakh. And for the government job CTC, this is a good amount. Okay, so if you want, you can apply. Now let me focus on the applications process and how you can apply. Okay, you can say for this electrical engineering, like the electrical overseer or sub inspector, you can apply for this. Now you have to check the eligibility criteria before applying. I will provide all the apply link. Now how to apply? Simply you have to go to the official website of DSSB, which I will just show you. This is the website, or you have to visit to the registration page. First you have to click on new registrations. You have to basically register. Okay, I think there is some issue right now, but you have to register, then you have to sign in, and you have to basically fill all those details. Now this is the timing till 15 July 2026 till 11:59 you can apply, and you have to submit the application online mode. Application fee just 100 hai, so I will suggest must apply. And The examination scheme is for different things are there, like the general awareness, general intelligence, reasoning. अगर आपने टीचर्स एनक्यूटी का तैयारी किया या अदर, then you can apply test of Hindi language and comprehension, test of English language and comprehension, 40 marks each and total 200 marks. So this is the wonderful opportunity you can apply, and for different role there is a little bit changes are there, so check out the link. Okay, and this is wonderful opportunity. I suggest everyone apply. Hope video informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. I am always here to help you, and share this video with your friends circle so that they can also aware of this wonderful opportunity. मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.